In this video we have brought an English grammar quiz for you.
Whose pencil is this? I will eat ice cream tomorrow. I had played football yesterday. I met my friend at the park yesterday. The cat was on the table when I entered the room. She lent the book to me, and I returned it later. They went to the concert last night, and had a great time. We finished our homework before going to the movies. My sister plays the piano beautifully. The weather was nice, so we decided to go for a walk.